Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Michael Jackson wrote those words not as a politician or a lawyer, just as a human who believed the world could be better. And every time I hear it, I ask myself one question: how? How do we heal a world where millions of people wake up every day without access to justice? Not because it doesn't exist, but because no one built a system that includes them. And I am Clarissa Maramis, a student of informatics engineering at Universitas Samratulangi, and I believe peace begins the moment we decide that every person deserves to be fully human. There is a philosophy from our land Minahasa, right here in North Sulawesi, that has guided people long before any global goal was ever written. Sito Timo Tumoto, humans live to humanize other humans, not to rule them, not to ignore them, but to humanize them. That to me is the soul of SDG 16. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. It sounds really big and formal, but strip it down, it is simply this. We cannot have peace without justice, and we cannot have justice without systems that treat every person as fully human, where every voice heard, every right protected, every person, no matter where they were born or how much money they have, is deserving of dignity. But if justice is the foundation of peace, then why is it still out of reach for so many? Because the systems we have were not built for everyone. According to the World Justice Project, 1.5 billion people live outside the reach of any legal system. Based on reports from the United Nations, corruption costs the world over 2.6 trillion US dollars every year. And in so many places, justice is not a right, it is a privilege, one that depends on who you know, what you own, and how loudly you can speak. That is not Sito Timo Tumoto, that is the opposite of it. And if broken systems are the problem, then who is responsible for building better ones? We are. According to the United Nations, people aged 15 to 29 make up 1/3 of the global population. Yet, we remain among the most underrepresented in legal and political systems worldwide. We are the generation that grew up watching injustice happen in real time and feeling something about it, not numb, but angry. And that anger, when directed with purpose, it is not a problem, it is a gift. So how do we turn that into action? We go back to what Sito Timo Tumoto demands of us, to humanize in the most practical sense. Understand before you speak, because justice literacy is not just for the law student. Built with integrity, starting today, every group you lead fairly, every decision you make honestly, that is SDG 16 in motion. Strong institutions are not built in parliament. They are built in small, everyday choices of people who refuse to cut corners. Make your voice pacific, not just loud. Each of these acts, however small, is how we build institutions that humanize, protect, and make peace possible. And that is how we answer the question I began with. How do we heal the world? Justice is not the end of the road. Justice is the road itself. And the peace is where it takes us. Sito Timo Tumoto. Because a just world is not something we wait for. It is something we make, one honest choice at a time. Thank you.